In this video, we're going to explore how to create a template and then use that template either for broadcasting or for sending individually. Sound good? To get started, we'll head over to the Template tab. Once there, you'll see an option to create new template. Click on that and then we can give our template a name. Let's name this template Test. Next, we need to choose the language and specify the category, whether it's for utility or marketing purposes. Now, we'll choose the content type. Currently, there are 4 categories available, but we're in the process of adding more options like carousel or multimedia. After that, we'll select the media, write the body, and choose a file to include. Let's do that now. Once we've added the image, you can preview it here. When you're ready, submit it for approval. It typically takes about 24 hours to get approved by Meta. Once approved, you can move on to broadcast and name it, perhaps, Test. Next, we'll select the approved template we just created. I'll go ahead and choose one now. Here's the template we've selected, and you can see a preview of it right here. If you have contacts saved, you can select them from your list. Alternatively, if not, you can import an Excel sheet by clicking on Import. Then you have the option to either send now or schedule for a specific time. Choosing Send Now will queue the message to be sent in 15 minutes. If you opt to schedule, the message will go out at the designated time. After making your selection, click on Send Broadcast to finalize. After sending, if you chose Send Now, the message will remain under scheduled broadcast for 15 minutes. You can monitor it from this section. Once sent, you can check the log to see who received it and who didn't. If there are failures, you can investigate the reasons here. Alternatively, if you want to send the template to a specific individual, you don't need to access the Broadcast tab. Just go to Chats under the Support inbox, find the chat of the person you want to message, and if the 24-hour window is open, send the template directly from there. An approved template isn't necessary for this process. Within the 24-hour window, you can send a non-approved template. If you're outside of that window, you can select an approved template instead. Once selected, it will appear like this. Click on Select Template, choose your template, and hit Send Template. And that's it. You've successfully sent your template. Thank you for watching.